Yeah, let's continue. Let's continue with the Surds. So the other questions aside. Yeah, so this one says also simplify with the Surds, right? So we're going to begin by also doing the same thing that we did on the last question. We're going to multiply. We're going to multiply both sides. I mean, the top and the bottom, using root 72. Root 72, right? Or, well, there's a lot of ways you can do it, right? But what you can do is suds, if you have, let's say, A times B, what happens is you can separate A and B, right? Yeah. So let's try to separate the 72 and that 18 also. Yeah, give me a minute. I need to get the calculator. Oh, wait, I don't need the calculator. So if we look at 72, 72 is basically it's um it's um it's 9 times 8, right? Right? Yeah, because 9 times 8 is 72 because mm, 8 times 10 is going to give you 80. If you subtract 8, it's 72, which means 9 times 8 is 72 anyway. That's a mouthful, but you will see that 9 times 8 is 72, and then we will separate them like this. But we can still simplify this guy further. Square root of 9 is 3. Even here, we can still separate this guy further into 4 times 2, which means square root of 4 and square root of 2, which means square root of 4 is basically 2 also multiplied by root 2, which means it's going to be 6, 2. So what we did first is to try to change this guy into a sud. Okay, you can also try to change 18 into a sud. 18 is basically 9. It's like this. 9 times 2, right? Which means 9 times 2. Hopefully you can see that. Square root of 9 is what? 3 and then root 2. There we go. So we can express this guy here in this way. It's nice that we didn't use a calculator. Boss mode unlocked. Anyway, so yeah, excuse my voice. Just like I said, I just woke up. So 3 times 3 is how much? 9, and then you have root 2 over 6 root 2. Can you see what's going to happen? Hopefully, I'm correct. So, like we said in the last video, when the roots multiply each other, they basically disappear, right? Which means it's going to be 9 times 2 over 6 times 2. 9 times 2, like we said, is 18. 6 times 2 is 12. Now, 18. Okay, 3 goes into both numbers, right? 3 goes into 18 how many times? That's like 6 times. 3 goes in here 4 times. You can still simplify it further, right? Yeah, 3 over 2, which is basically 1.5. Yeah, we have successfully simplified. Anyway, if you punch this in your calculator, hopefully you will get 1.5. If not, put the comment in the comment section and tell me how I flopped.